Hi friends, I'm back with one more video. So now let's discuss about how I made like almost 10% profit in both Nifty and Bank Nifty. So these were the two different trades, so wherein I've made almost like 10% just in overnight trade. Okay, so before watching this video, I would recommend you to just go to my YouTube. So yesterday I've made a video. So this was the trade which I've deployed yesterday at almost like 240, 250, right before the end of the day. So wherein I already made 3%. If you look at the thumbnail, I already made a 3% profit in less than an hour. And the same trade I've just carried forward to today, which was the expiry today. Okay, so I would recommend you to watch this video. And before that, and also I would like you to join my Telegram channel. So wherein I'll be like explaining you all the trade logic. I'll do my best in terms of explaining you the trade logic again, but next time I'll just make a short video so that all the logic you'll be getting in my Telegram channel. So it is like rework for me to explain in the video as well as on the trade logic, right? These are the trades which I've taken, right? The same thing, right? I said both Nifty and Bank Nifty I got 10% profit. Okay, so let me straight away take you to the sensible. So this is if you watch my yesterday's video, you'll get to know this is a typical your back ratio spread. So I do not go on the naming convention. Basically this has one sold and two buy position, like two buy and one sold position. The reverse of 1:2. So that is your credit ratio spread. So this is sort of debit ratio spread, what you can say. Okay, market was standing somewhere. Let me take the epic pen. Sorry friends, this is what I tend to forget every time. Okay, so maybe when I deploy the trade let me show you. When I deploy the trade, market was standing somewhere here. Market was standing somewhere here. So I thought maybe looking at the chart analysis, and you know, right, all the trades are based on the price action. I do not randomly deploy the trade. That's the thumb rule. Okay, so maybe market was standing here somewhat. I thought maybe looking at the market move and everything, so Nifty will make a down move. That's it. So just in case if it falls within this area, so I know how to do the adjustments. Okay, so wherein I got almost like 1,758, which is almost like 10% of your capital deployed on your 18,000. So more or less 10%, right? This is nothing. So I've not even done a single adjustment. So watch my yesterday's video. I'll let you know, just in case if I want to do the adjustments, what adjustments I can do is like maybe mid of the day, let's say market was here or market was here, but I was worried saying that okay, what will happen all of a sudden if market falls down, goes up, right? I might end up into this zone, right? I'll show you one adjustment. There are like multiple adjustments. I'll show you one adjustment. So what I'll do, so I have this 18,250, right? What I'll do, okay, it's there already, right? So what I'll do, I'll just square off this 18,250. The moment I do this, right, my trade will become something like this. It's slow, sensible is slow. Okay, and then what I'll do, I'll buy back single lot. So I've squared off two lots and then I'll buy back this 17,950. That's it. This way I'm able to lock 9% profit on the downside, and just in case if the market goes upper side, we never do it. Expiry day, we never know. Market can go up. I have the profit of almost 50%. This is rare, but still on paper. But I'm still able to lock my profit of 9%. Okay, so there are like multiple. If I let's say if I just exit this one thing, so this is how it becomes. Okay, let's say if I have this two lots, and then if I'm planning to go for two lots here, see, this is the way I tend to do the adjustments. Okay, I've shown you one adjustments. If not, the video will become lengthy, right? The second trade was simple. The second trade, this was not my trade. If you look at my yesterday's video, that's what I'm telling friends, watch this video, right? I'm putting so much of effort in terms of making the videos. Without watching, you'll not be able to do the adjustment. So this is a video. Let me take you to the video. Okay, let me show you what I was trying to show you, right? This was the trade. So this is, one second, where is the trade? This was the trade what I've deployed. Okay, this is something like, okay, this was a contra trade. Basically what I meant to say is like this Bank Nifty and Nifty were contra trades. I've explained you the entire logic in this video, so I would recommend you to watch this video. Okay, this was my original trade. Okay, so to make you more clear, right, so what I've done is like I've just went to Obstra. Okay, this was my original trade, friend. This was my original trade. So what I've done is like the moment, see, I'll also tell you the this thing also though. Yesterday market closed here at the support. So what I thought is like maybe market will go up. This was my view. That was my view. So maybe what I thought, market will go up and then it will take a resistance and then it can come back. It can come down. That was my what do we say, price action. Because why did I draw this plot line? Right, I said, what did I say? Everything is price action. Why did I draw this line? Because there was a rejection, right? There was a rejection in the past and there was a rejection. So what I thought, maybe I have drawn this two. There is rejection number 1 and rejection number 2. What I thought is like, let me delete this, right? Without this, you will not able to understand. What I thought, is maybe market can take a resistance here. See, when the green candle was going up, it took a resistance. I thought maybe market will come down. If not, if market breaks this resistance, which was a earlier resistance somewhere in the past, right? Let me take you to 1 hour. This one, right? This resistance, it has broken. So what I thought is like, okay, this has broken. Let me get you to 15 minutes, right? Maybe this has broken. So then I thought maybe this will act as a critical resistance now. With that view, when market expired at the year, I thought maybe market will go up and then it will retest and then it might come down. That's what happened, right? I was fortunate enough also because price action, right? Price, if you do the price action, it works or it doesn't work. But for me, that's my own price action. Based on that, I've deployed the trade. Okay, so now what I'll do, I'll take you to the Opstra. This was my original iron fly, okay, which I've deployed yesterday at 250, and then market opened. What happened to market today? Market opened with a gap up. If you look at this, let me delete all these lines. Okay, market had gap up, right? It went up and then it came down. The moment I saw there is a resistance, right? What I've done is like, just pay attention, friend, pay attention. Let me take you to the sensible also. Okay, what I've done is like, see, I've only done one adjustment. What I've done, I have squared off 41,500. Let 41,500, I've squared it off with a premium of, let me show you, at 262.25. Stay with me, friends, stay with me, right? I've just squared off this leg. And then what I've done, if you look at this, right, I roll down 45,500. I've squared off, and then I bought what is this, 41,400. Okay, let me take you to option chain. See, I could have told you this thing, but I'll just explain you. 41,400, right? I bought this. Okay, I bought this at what price? 218.10. Okay, I bought this single quantity at this price, right? This was one of my adjustments what I've done, right? The moment I've done this, so check the loss. But apart from this, what I've done is like stay. So I have, if you look at this trade, I have two quantity of 41,000, right? Two quantity of 41,000. But if you look at my trade, it has only one quantity. So what I've done, I have squared off one quantity. Okay, so that's what I'm telling you. Join my Telegram channel, so wherein I'll be giving you all the trade logic, right? So what I've done, I've just squared off one lot from here. So what I have to do, I cannot go ahead and just square it off here. What I have to do, I have to go to option chain. What was that, like 41,000 PE I have to sell, right? Because when I have to square off, I have to sell it. 41,000 PE. Where is 41,000 PE? This one, right? 41,000 PE. Let me sell it out for this price. Okay, 92. Hope I've done this right thing, because this is where the sensible LP. Yeah, perfect. We are at the right position. This is how my trade has become, right? If you look at this thing, same thing, right? 4,975, 43 rupees per loss. So same thing, my trade. See, 4,900, 100 rupees. I mean, there is a price difference. This is what I've done. So if you might be surprised to look, right, initially I did not show. Initially it was having 3,000 loss, right? But see, with just one adjustment, check the risk to reward I've done. Okay, you will be amazed. Okay, 4,900 divided by this 100 rupees. So at max I'll be getting 100 rupees loss. So you are getting 1:49. So you will lose only 100 rupees and you will get 4,900, which is almost like 10% profit. That's what made me to hold this trade. At worst case, market came here. See, all through the day market was standing here. Suddenly it came here. Right, again it came back, again it came here, it was trading here. You know that on the expiry day market will be very volatile, and all of a sudden end of the day it came here and it expired in the center of the cone. So market was very kind to me today. The only reason why I did not square off the trade is like at max I'll have only 100 rupees loss. Point number one. And what did I say? This was my contra trade. Right, the other nifty was my contra trade. Already I got 10%. Already I got 10% profit. See, already I got 10% profit in my nifty. Right, I'm okay to lose. Right, where is that? I'm okay to lose this 100 rupees. But if I could have just exited this trade the moment I saw bank nifty somewhere here, right, with a profit of 500, 600 rupees, right, I could not have got this 4,000. What is that? 4,600, which is almost like 10% on my capital. Because I was able to hold, only because my loss was 100 rupees. That's it. I did not even watch at the market. I thought maybe let the market expire, let the market expire here, 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 because end of the day I have to just give 100 rupees. But market was kind to me, it expired at the center, so I got almost like 10%. So with this, right, with this, that's what I've made a PPT. So I almost made 10% in my nifty and also in my bank nifty just with the overnight trade, right? For you to get the logic and everything of the trade, I would still recommend you to just join my telegram channel, right, wherein we will be discussing about all the trade logic. See, somewhere I might have mentioned here also, somewhere we'll see finally, and this is my iron fly, friend. This is my iron fly for the next week. If you look at the iron fly, even I've just, see, people tend to deploy iron fly on the expiry day, but I've deployed my iron fly already day before yesterday, that was like Tuesday. So wherein if you look at my iron fly, right, if you look at my iron fly, right, I've made my loss on the P side 0 by just doing like 2 to 3 roll up, and my loss, my maximum loss on my call side is like 10,000. What is this? 13,000. But I pretty well know that if the market is moving one side, I can easily make this trade either 0 or come up with the profit. But just in case if the market comes down, right, I'll be able to trap the market here, and then I'll do the reverse buying, or else I'll deploy the broken wing fly, you call it ratio spread, reverse buying with all the permutations and combinations. So this is one of my trade. So anyways, I'll be explaining you all my trade logic. See, that's what I've explained you about my trade logic here also. Somewhere I said, right, I was able to get with 10%. Let me show you, right, created another, right, yeah, see, both nifty and bank nifty got 10% profit with just the overnight. This is called contra trade, not this one, friend, right? Maybe somewhere I've mentioned like the risk to reward made me to hold the trade. What is that risk to reward? Let me again show you this one. 100 rupees loss versus 4,900. This will help us not to do unnecessary adjustments. I've decided, let the market go 10% down, up 10% up, or it expires somewhere here. That's it, right? So I've just explained you the logic of 2 trades, and every trade is backed up by my price action. I do not deploy any of the trade with the random order. So people, I mean, if in case if you want to learn price action, right, all the trades and everything, so please join my telegram channel, and also I would recommend you to join my, what is that, let me show you, my YouTube channel. Okay, let me show you. See, very recently I've started like what is Jade Lizard. Very majority of YouTubers make it very complicated, but I've just explained you what is Jade Lizard. It's a combination of multiple strategies. Okay, see, live, why reverse buying? Don't I'm sure like 99% of the people don't know why we do reverse buying. I've explained you the reverse buying here. Strategies based on market. Watch these 2 videos, friends. Believe me, if you watch these 2 videos with conviction, these are all the older videos what I made like 30 days back. People will not understand the importance of these videos, right? Watch these 2 videos, right? Strategies based on the market structure. You should know what strategies you need to deploy based on the market structure. Market structure is very, very dynamic. The strategy which works in market structure ABC, that would not work in XYZ. The strategy which works in like EFG, that will not work in like LMN, right? You're getting my point, right? So market structure is very unique, very different. No one strategy will work in each market structure unless and until you guys know what is a market structure, where exactly. Watch these 2 videos, friends. Watch these 2 videos, and also recommend these videos to your friend who is like very new to stock market. I think this would be like a bible for them, but I know people will not watch this because they wanted to act as a gambler. But still, I'm making all my videos only for those people who are like very conservative, who want to learn the market. All right, so with this I'll conclude the video. I'm just trying to make my videos very short, so because I'm getting some reviews from majority of the not majority, like few saying that make it very short. All right, so hence I've proven that 10% profit in both nifty and bank nifty just in overnight trade. All right, thank you.